Thuqayf?
Yeah. It's yesterday you asked me about Thuqayf or Thaqif.
Thaqif, yes.
Thuqayf, it's coming here without shakl. So min Thuqayf, according to Arabic language, this is musaghar of Muthaqqaf.
It can be both.
Yeah, Muthaqqaf.
It can be on the wazn of fa'il or fa'al. It can be both.
Yes.
But we should know from the, what do they call? Asma'ur Rijal.
Asma'ur Rijal.
In the books of Asma'ur Rijal, they do it with Arab.
No.
And also, they instruct, you should read it like this. That is what I meant.
I see.
See?
All right.
Because both are possible.
نعم.
Aqil and Uqail.
عقيل and تصغير عقيل. تصغير عقيل. نعم.
That's right. Please.